Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Health Spiffy, your ultimate destination for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's as familiar as it is fantastic: home remedies. But hold on to your hairbrushes, because we're not just talking about any old remedy. Nope. We're uncovering the secret to perfect skin and hair using ingredients that everyone has at home. Get ready to unleash your inner glow with these simple yet oh so effective tips. Let's kick things off with a beauty dilemma that's as old as time: dull, lackluster skin. If your complexion is feeling a little blah and in need of a pick-me-up, fear not. There's a simple solution hiding in your kitchen cupboard: honey. That's right, honey is more than just a sweet treat. It's also a powerhouse ingredient for perfect skin. Thanks to its antibacterial and moisturizing properties, honey can help cleanse pores, moisturize skin, and give you that coveted glow. Simply apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face, let it sit for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water for skin that's as sweet as honey. Next up, let's talk about another common beauty woe: dry, brittle hair. If your locks are feeling more like straw than silk, it's time to give them some TLC with a trusty kitchen staple: olive oil. That's right, olive oil isn't just for cooking. It's also a fantastic moisturizer for your hair. Rich in vitamins and antioxidants, olive oil can help nourish and strengthen hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and oh so smooth. Simply warm up some olive oil in the microwave for a few seconds, apply it to your hair from roots to ends, wrap your hair in a towel, and let it work its magic for 30 minutes to an hour before shampooing and conditioning as usual. Say hello to hair that's as healthy as it is happy. Moving right along, let's address another common beauty concern: acne. Those pesky pimples can really put a damper on your day, but fear not. There's a simple yet effective remedy sitting in your pantry: baking soda. That's right, baking soda isn't just for baking. It's also a powerhouse ingredient for clear, blemish-free skin. Thanks to its exfoliating and antibacterial properties, baking soda can help unclog pores, reduce inflammation, and banish acne-causing bacteria. Simply mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste, apply it to affected areas, let it sit for 5-10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water for skin that's as clear as a summer sky. Ah, the eternal struggle of frizzy hair. Whether it's due to humidity, heat styling, or just genetics, dealing with frizz can be a real hassle. But fear not. There's a simple solution hiding in your fridge: yogurt. That's right, yogurt isn't just a tasty snack. It's also a fantastic conditioner for your hair. Packed with proteins and vitamins, yogurt can help hydrate and smooth hair, leaving it frizz-free and fabulous. Simply massage plain yogurt into your hair and scalp, cover your hair with a shower cap, and let it sit for 30 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to hair that's as smooth as silk. Let's not forget about another common beauty woe: dark circles under the eyes. Whether you've been burning the midnight oil or genetics are to blame, those panda eyes can make you look tired and worn out. But fear not. There's a simple remedy hiding in your tea cupboard: green tea bags. That's right, green tea isn't just a refreshing beverage. It's also a fantastic remedy for dark circles. Packed with antioxidants and caffeine, green tea can help reduce puffiness, tighten skin, and lighten dark circles. Simply steep 2 green tea bags in hot water for a few minutes, then let them cool down in the fridge. Once chilled, place the tea bags over your closed eyelids for 10-15 minutes to rejuvenate tired eyes and reduce dark circles. Say hello to eyes that sparkle like emeralds. And last but certainly not least, let's talk about another common beauty woe: chapped lips. Whether it's due to cold weather, dehydration, or just habit, dealing with dry, cracked lips can be a real pain. But fear not. There's a simple remedy hiding in your fruit bowl: bananas. That's right, bananas aren't just a delicious snack. They're also a fantastic moisturizer for your lips. Packed with vitamins and minerals, bananas can help hydrate and soften lips, leaving them kissably smooth. Simply mash up a ripe banana until smooth, apply a thin layer to your lips, and let it sit for 10-15 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Say goodbye to chapped lips and hello to a perfect pout. And there you have it, folks. A treasure trove of home remedies for perfect skin and hair that everyone has at home. Who knew that the secret to beauty could be hiding in your kitchen cupboard all along? If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Health Spiffy for more tips, tricks, and hacks to help you look and feel your best. Until next time, stay spiffy and keep on glowing from the inside out.